YouTube, Facebook, Courtney Truman Steamers. We're out here in a repeat customer house. We cleaned these carpets about 2 years ago, but we're back. We're doing a total of 3 areas, a hallway, and she wants the pet treatment on all the areas. Funny story, last week, you can't see the house from here, but I cleaned the house right across the road. One of my customers, her son was moving in, and the husband just told me the guy that lived there before had passed away. So to show you guys right now, Kevin is just pre-vacuuming.
Oh, by the way, there's a snake or something, bro.
No, it ain't.
Oh, well. It's not that thing,
I see it right there. Like a little iguana or something. Some kind of lizard. So let's show you guys what we got going. Now, you guys know I like the sharp vacuums, so I might just give this away. But I ordered me another one today. It should be here Thursday. The exact same one. Let me show you how good this vacuum is picking up. The NV501. Look at all that right there already. All right, so what we're going to do, guys, is finish pre-vacuuming. Show you what we're doing today. Another episode of Man versus Dirty Carpets. All right, so I've already got my pre-treatment made up. And like I said, this is a repeat customer. We're doing 3 areas, hallway, and everything pet treatment. Kevin's going to come through and pre-vacuum. And then also we're going to do CRB, pre-spray, vacuum, pet treatment, you name it. We're going to do it. Alrighty, so just to give you guys a quick preview of how these carpets look before, and we're going to make these dear home a whole lot better so they can enjoy their home. Fresh, nice, clean carpets. Alright guys, stay tuned. Alright guys, so we're done pre-vacuuming. Let me show you something. Now Kevin said this bag was empty when he started pre-vacuuming, so that's what he got out. Hold that up. All right, you see that? Now check this out. He just dumped that after the first 2 rooms. All I did was vacuum the hallway and this whole room right here. See her running the vacuum? And we're gonna turn this bad boy off. And this vacuum is still in great condition. I just want to go ahead and get another one. I had it like 2 years. But look at that, guys. Look at that.
Sharp, baby, sharp.
1 room in the hallway full of dry soil. All right, look at that. That's 1 room in the hallway. Let me dump that, Kevin. So what we're gonna do, I keep a lot of these bags. There we go. Good, good. All right, guys, so it's empty now. And look at all this. All right, so we're going to go ahead and get the hoses in. You see we got the CRB. I'm definitely going to do some CRB agitation on these carpets. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so we have pre-treated the carpets, of course, pre-vacuum. Now Kevin is on the CRB. Show you guys how great these carpets are doing just with the CRB, using a great cleaning agent. Just show you how the carpets look already. I mean, look at that. So like I said, it was a bunch of stains right here on the side of that bed. It's just gonna make the cleaning process so much easier and better, and also get better results. Look how better these carpets look. All right, let's go in here. It's not much light in this room, but you know, these carpets are pretty soiled where you can see a difference. Now we just emptied this tray and you can still see the debris that's going in. rubbed it out of Kevin's hands. I just got the phone with one of my buddies named Robert out of North Carolina, and if you guys never heard of his company, it's called True Green Carpet Care. And he called me and said, Courtney, which one should I get first, a new one or a CRB? And you guys know what I said, CRB. A little bit already, don't it? Major difference. Yeah, a few burn holes need to be patched out. Oh yeah. Alright guys, so we're gonna finish CRBing these carpets. Almost done. Go ahead and get those 2-inch holes in. Alright, move this table around. It's on wheels. Alright guys, stay tuned. Alright guys, show you how good these carpets are coming out. Got Kevin on the one. Check it out, check it out. Look at that, look at that. Wow. This is why customers call us back. I mean, just look at the results from the CRB. Oh, let me get this up right here, whatever this is. Yeah. Go across the bed again. Yeah. Alright guys, so we're going to come back and see the main living room area, which we're working towards now. But again, you can see a big improvement and difference just after agitating with the CRB, and then we're going to come back and extract.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
That was going, moving.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I picked that up for me.
Yes sir. Learning from the best. Alright guys, so now we're in the main room cleaning. And as a bonus, a lot of people ask me to show the dirty water. So since it's going to be going in the area where we can dump, I'm going to show you guys the dirty water once we're done.
You're gonna be a better cleaner by the time you work with me. Whether you want to or not. See how you can really do that.
Yep. All right, guys, we are done. These carpets look amazing. There's actually a hole in the carpet. But just look how much better these carpets look from before and after. Kevin is on the last piece. And we're going to go ahead and apply the pet odor treatment. Even though the carpets smell 100% better. It's a burn mark right there. But just look at these carpets. Amazing. Amazing. One thing that I'm a little disappointed of is that we didn't have much light in this room. But again, you can just look from before and after and just see how much better these carpets look. All right, guys, go ahead and wrap it up. Show you guys the dirty water, and we'll be done for today. All right, guys, so I'm gonna dump the dirty water right in here, and it's not going to the road right here in these bushes. This right. And look at that. That's what a lot of people have been requesting, and there you have it. We dump this after every job. Now you see what comes out of carpets. And there you go, YouTube. You asked for it, you got it. All right, guys, see you in the next one.